lovers, I'm Joel myself with the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com. I love to do this, just driving around, minding my own business, and I spot something completely out of the ordinary, such as this live oak tree that is about 6 feet in diameter at the base and easy 150 feet wide. Check this out. It's in the right of way on this little side street in Lakeland. As is always true of these grandfather live oaks, the width can be quite a bit more than the height. This is not that tall of a tree, and on this side of the tree, the limbs have been kept pruned back so that they're not interfering with these wires. Although on the other side of the street, the wires are running right through the middle of the tree. So just something to show you how big a live oak can get. That is all this video is about. Hope you enjoy. Go to treeplanters.com when you're ready for trees. Reach out to us from there, and we'll get you anything